Hi, my name is Matt, and welcome to another episode of NC Star Tech TV. Today we're going to be going over our brand new quick release laser cut plate carrier. So this is brand new, very interesting, very unique. Let's get in here and take a look. So as you can see, the general construction of this is very similar to our other laser cut plate carriers, but what really makes this special is the quick release. So we have these patented magnetic buckles that release through these poles right here. So this one alone will release just these. The underneath one will release just the shoulder. And if you pull the whole thing, you can release the entire thing for a quick release for an emergency, fall into the water, maritime action, what have you. Inside your kangaroo pouch here, we have the removable double mag and single tourniquet pouches here. This particular one is a 11 by 14, but it's also available in 10 by 12 plates. The sides here are your cummerbund, holds 11 by 6 soft plates or up to 6 by 8 hard plates. Come out here, again, we have more loop of the hook and loop for your patches, name tapes. The cummerbund is fully adjustable with this cordage back here. Shoulder pads can be removed and it's fully adjustable here as well. Back here we have the mesh so that it keeps you cool and moisture wicking. So here's the quick release plate carrier. I've got magazines, tourniquet, level 3A plates in it. This is also available in green and tan as well as the black. And as I noted, also holds the 10 by 12 plates. Perfect way to stow this is to leave one side undone, which makes it very easy to put on like this. And all I have to do is line up the magnet right there, not going anywhere. Okay, so to take it off, I can pull just the outside one here and pull it right off over my head. I can, for storage, I can connect both or one of the magnets, so I can have the one connected like as I started, and then when I want to put it back on, throw it over top. Also, in case I fall in the water, some sort of emergency, I have to get out of this quickly, the whole thing will drop. Put it back together, it's just as simple. It's right there, I'll leave that open, put it on. So these can all be done individually. I can also, if I wanted to, I can just do the shoulders. Again, the front one will do the sides, and I can drop the whole thing again. And I just need to make contact here for the patented magnets. And it's all back together. So for demonstration purposes here, I got a 6 by 6 plate there. On this side, I actually have a 6 by 11 plate, and your plates go in here nice and easily. This is my 11 by 14 plate right there. The pockets are just right underneath, so it's real easy to access. Thank you.